Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to use the Bush Upright Steam Mop. Firstly, fit the accessory that you would like to use. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the floor head. Supplied with the steam mop is a jug to fill the water tank. The tank requires 2 full water jugs to completely fill the tank. To add water to the steam mop, ensure that the dial is in the off position. Then, pull out the water reservoir stopper. Tilt the steam mop and add the water to the tank. Once added, fit the water reservoir stopper. Next, plug the steam mop into a main socket. If you are using the floor head on a hard floor, remove the carpet glider. Then, turn the steam adjustment dial to your required setting. The indicator light will start red whilst it is heating up. Once heated, the light will turn green, indicating that it is ready to use. If you are using the floor head, tilt it away from the floor and press the steam trigger. Once you see steam, you can place the floor head down and begin cleaning. If you are using the steam mop in handheld mode, press the steam button. Do not leave the steam mop in one spot for any length of time, as this can damage the flooring. Once the floor has been cleaned, remove the floor head from the floor and release the trigger. Next, turn the dial to the off position and unplug it from the main socket. Ensure that the steam mop has completely cooled down before storage or performing any maintenance. If you would like to replace or wash the cleaning pad, start by removing the carpet glider. Then, pull the cleaning pad away from the floor head. You can then refit the cleaning pad and reattach the carpet glider. The cable can be stored by winding the cable around the hooks on the handle and steam mop body. For further information, please refer to the supplied instruction manual. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.